How to fix Xbox account not signing in PC. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you learn how to fix Xbox account signing issues on your PC, especially if you're getting the 405 error. Let's go step by step and get it working again. Step 1. Clear your browser cache. Open your browser, go to Settings, and clear cookies and cache for Xbox and Microsoft websites. Then restart your browser. Step 2. Clear Xbox app cache. Press Windows More R and type this. Find folders that start with Microsoft.xboxapp and Microsoft.xbox identify provider. Then delete their local cache folders. Step 3. Reinstall Xbox identify provider. Open the Microsoft Store. Search for Xbox identify provider. If it's installed, uninstall and reinstall it. Step 4. Make sure you signed into the right Microsoft account. Go to Settings, Accounts, Email and Accounts, and make sure your correct Microsoft account is listed. Also, under Access Work or School, remove any accounts that are not yours. Step 5. Reset the Xbox app. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, search for Xbox, click on it, go to Advanced Options, then click Reset. Bonus tip: check your time settings. Go to Settings, Time and Language, and make sure automatically time and time zone are turned on. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to fix Xbox signing issues on PC with error 405. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.